Juzu, mo nangan Andy. Tuhenjang agot. Hello, my name is Andy. How are you? Let's talk about the Chakma language.
Sangma basa.
The Chakma language, a part of the Eastern Indo-Aryan family, is primarily spoken by the Chakma people in the Chittagong Hill tracts of Bangladesh, as well as parts of Northeast India and Myanmar. It shares similarities with Bengali, Assamese, and Chittagonian, but has unique features influenced by Tibeto-Burman languages due to its geographic isolation. Chakma has its own script, known as the Uzapat, an abugida derived from the Brahmi script. This script, resembling others in South and Southeast Asia, is used for religious and literary purposes, although in modern times, Chakma is often written in Bengali or Latin scripts. Chakma culture is closely intertwined with Buddhism, with key practices centered around Kiyong or monasteries, and festivals like Budu Purnima and Kutin Siburdan. Their New Year celebration, Bizu, is marked with water rituals, traditional dances, and feasts. Chakma cuisine is rich with fermented and smoked foods. Bamboo shoot curry, boiled vegetables, and smoked fish are common, along with the popular pazantun dish made of mixed vegetables. Meat dishes, particularly pork and dried fish preparations, are also popular. Traditional clothing includes the pinun and hadi for women and dhuti for men, often decorated with intricate patterns. Folk music, including uwagit, or love songs, and genghuli or ballads, plays a significant role in their cultural celebrations. Despite historical challenges such as displacement and land rights issues, the Chakma people take pride in their resilience, storytelling traditions, and vibrant arts, preserving their identity through language, craftsmanship, and community life. In the next part, let's listen to the beautiful sounds of their language. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights.
Bekman Chunjurman, Sadin Guri, Ekui Murzuda ar Odikarloi, Tarar Bibegage, Budiage, Senote Tarar, Bekunuloi, Dolsitoloi, Somporanausit.
Numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Greetings and phrases.
Swagatom, Juzu, Sizibenne, Hinchanagoj, Gomdo, Tuhinjan, Balok Dinaloa de Adeke, Tonangani, Monangan Endi, Tuyutun, Muy Paradotun, Tolo Sin Puchone, Boat Com Lagilo, Tuisangmada Hoi Parasni, Tuisangmabasa Janoj, Janong, Nana, Nozanong, Don Novat, Muy Tore Hochwang, Muy Buzong, Muy Nobuzong, Map Gurich, Kumagurich, Doyeguri.
Vocabulary.
Muy, Tui, Ibe, Ete, Ote, Ei, Ien, Iben, Ami, Tumi, Tara, Utara, Iben, Ien, Sen, Idu, Iot, Sot, Ubot, Ba, Ma, Azu, Bei, Bebei, Bei, Da, Bei, Bon, Po, Zi, Manus, Morot, Mile, Sumache, Mastor, Satro, Sok, Han, Nak, Dat, Mu, Sire, Sul, Dok, Singira, Mu, At, Teng, Hur, Bile, Sur, Guru, Gora, Undur, Huro, Fake, Mas, Full, Hair, Gach, Pada, Pol, Ranga, Nil, Olotte, El, Dup, Hala, Nang, Din, Ret, Bozor, Bel, San, Tara, Agun, Pani, Zingani, Boyer, Pitimi, Akas, Deva, Sagor, Dojje, Mon, Muro, Jongol, Jar, Bangi, Dinni, Modde, Aro, Purun, No, Poribar, Jaga, Kiong, Nogor, Sohor, Adam, Apel, Anas, Humla, iman, ridisudom, জন্ম মরণ, ইদত, সিভিল, অসিভিল, সভ্য, অসভ্য, দৌড়, দরজা।
The Lord's Prayer.
আমার স্বর্গবাপ্য, তোর নাম পবিত্র মানা হোক, তোর রাজ্য এসোক, তোর ইচ্ছা ফরত হোক, পৃথিবীত যেনেকে নাই স্বর্গত। আমার এই যে দিন ভাত পানি দিস, আমার দুচানি ক্ষমা করিস, জেনে নাহি আমিও আমার করি জীবন দুষ্করণ, সেখানে আমি ক্ষমা করি। আমার সুপদে দিন নিজ, কিন্তু বসমত আমার রক্ষে করিস। হারণ, রিজ্জগান, হিমদাগান আর মহিমাগান, উমরে উমর তোর। আমিন।